Greetings, space explorers. Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered what's beyond our Milky Way galaxy? Well, let's embark on a galactic journey together. Picture this, you're floating in the vast expanse of the cosmos, surrounded by a sea of twinkling stars. Those aren't just stars though, they're galaxies, each one a bustling city of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. And there are billions of them out there, each with their own unique stories. Our universe is a grand cosmic tapestry, unfathomably vast and teeming with mysteries. It's so huge that it's difficult for us to truly comprehend its scale. Yet, amid this cosmic ocean we find our home, the Milky Way galaxy, a spiraling disk of stars and cosmic material, spinning in the vast silence of space. Now let's turn our cosmic telescopes to our closest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. It's a spiral galaxy much like our own but bigger. It's located about 2.5 million light-years away from us. In the grand scheme of the universe, that's like popping over to a neighbor's house for a cup of sugar. The Andromeda Galaxy, named after the mythical Greek princess, is a sight to behold. It's home to about 1 trillion stars, more than twice the number of stars in our own galaxy. Its spiral arms, filled with bright blue stars, dust lanes, and nebulae, sweep across the cosmic landscape in a majestic dance of celestial bodies. But the Andromeda Galaxy isn't just a pretty face, it's a tantalizing mystery waiting to be unraveled. Scientists are studying it to understand more about spiral galaxies, how they form and evolve, and what their future might look like. So as we gaze upon the night sky, let's remember the vastness of the universe and our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, waiting to reveal its secrets. We are but tiny specks in this grand cosmic dance, yet we have the power to explore and understand the mysteries of the universe. Imagine the vastness of the universe and our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, waiting to reveal its secrets. The Andromeda Galaxy wasn't always known to us. Its discovery was a significant milestone in our understanding of the universe. Before we dive into the fascinating story of its discovery, let's set the stage. The year is 1923, a time of rapid technological advancement and big ideas. A young astronomer by the name of Edwin Hubble is peering through the eyepiece of a telescope, about to make a discovery that will revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Hubble's focus was on the Andromeda Nebula, as it was known at the time. He was particularly interested in a certain type of star called a Cepheid variable. These stars pulsate at a rate that's directly related to their intrinsic brightness, which makes them useful for measuring distances. Hubble noticed these stars in Andromeda, and their brightness suggested they were far beyond the boundaries of our own Milky Way galaxy. This was a shocking revelation. Until then, the Milky Way was considered the entirety of the universe, with all celestial bodies contained within it. Hubble's observations challenged this notion. The Andromeda Nebula was not just a cloud of gas and dust within our own galaxy, but a separate galaxy of its own, located a staggering 2 million light-years away. The implications were profound. If Andromeda was a separate galaxy, it meant there could be others too. Our universe, it seemed, was far larger and more complex than anyone had imagined. This shift in thinking was significant, opening the door for further study and leading to the discovery of countless other galaxies. Hubble's discovery forever changed our perspective of our place in the universe. We went from being part of a single galaxy amidst a star-filled sky, to understanding that our Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in an ever-expanding universe. This was the beginning of a new era in astronomy, one that continues to inspire wonder and curiosity even today. Since its discovery, Andromeda has been a subject of intense study. The allure of this celestial beauty has drawn the eyes of countless astronomers, each hoping to unravel a new secret of our universe. Over the years, with evolving technology and better telescopes, we've been able to delve deeper into the mysteries of Andromeda. One of the most pivotal moments in our understanding of this galaxy was the discovery of its spiral structure in the early 20th century. This was a revelation, as back then, our own Milky Way was thought to be the only spiral galaxy in existence. This discovery not only expanded our knowledge of Andromeda, but also initiated a paradigm shift in our understanding of the cosmos. It was a clear affirmation that our Milky Way was not unique, and there existed other galaxies with similar structures. Fast forward to the 21st century, and our studies have taken us even further. We've discovered that Andromeda is more than just our galactic neighbor. It's on a collision course with the Milky Way. Now, before you start panicking, let me assure you that this isn't happening anytime soon. We're talking about 4 billion years into the future. This impending galactic merger, as catastrophic as it may sound, is actually a natural part of galactic evolution. It's a cosmic dance choreographed by gravity, and we are merely spectators with front-row seats to this grand performance. The more we study Andromeda, the more we learn about the intricacies of galaxies and the grandeur of our cosmos. Each observation, each revelation brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this vast, ever-expanding universe. And most importantly, every study of Andromeda gives us a glimpse into the future, the destiny of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. The more we study Andromeda, the more we learn about the nature of galaxies and the destiny of our own. Now, you might be wondering what's in store for Andromeda and our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Well, we're in for quite a cosmic dance. Scientists predict that in about 4 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide. Don't worry though, this isn't a Hollywood-style explosive crash, it's more like a slow, elegant merger. You see, galaxies are largely empty space. So when they collide, it's not like a car crash with crunching metal and shattering glass. Instead, the gravity of each galaxy tugs on the other, pulling and stretching the stars, gas and dust into new patterns and shapes. Imagine two flocks of birds merging in the sky. They don't crash into one another, rather they seamlessly blend, swirl, and eventually become one larger flock. In a similar way, Andromeda and the Milky Way will slowly dance towards each other, their gravitational forces pulling them closer and closer together until they finally merge into a single entity. This event will significantly reshape our night sky. As Andromeda gets closer, it will appear larger and brighter. Eventually, it will dominate our view, a spectacular sight to behold. And when the galaxies finally merge, the ensuing celestial changes will birth a new galaxy. This new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda, will be a blend of the Milky Way and Andromeda. It will feature a mix of our familiar constellations and new stellar formations born from the collision. An entirely new cosmic tapestry will be woven, and we, or rather our very distant descendants, will have front-row seats to this spectacular cosmic show. While this might sound alarming, remember that the universe is constantly evolving and changing. It's a cycle of birth, growth, decay, and rebirth, happening on a scale so vast that it's hard to comprehend. But isn't it fascinating to ponder our place in this grand cosmic ballet? So, we've journeyed through the history and future of the Andromeda Galaxy. We started our journey with the mystery of the universe, the vast expanse of space wrapping around us, filled with countless stars and galaxies. Amidst this cosmic sea, we then introduced the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, a spiral galaxy much like our own Milky Way, only a bit larger. We delved into the discovery of Andromeda, how it went from a faint smudge of light in the night sky to being recognized as a separate galaxy. Remember the pivotal role of Edwin Hubble, who in the early 20th century used Cepheid variable stars as cosmic yardsticks to determine Andromeda's true distance and nature. His work shifted our understanding of the universe from a singular galaxy to an expansive, ever-growing cosmos filled with countless galaxies. We then explored the ongoing study of Andromeda. The techniques and technologies that astronomers employed appear millions of light-years away. We discussed how the light we see today from Andromeda actually began its journey over 2 million years ago. We've examined the galaxy's structure, composition, and its spiral arms teeming with star-forming regions. Lastly, we glanced into the future, to a time about 4 billion years from now, when Andromeda and the Milky Way are expected to collide. This cosmic dance of gravity will result in a grand reshaping of both galaxies, eventually forming a single, larger elliptical galaxy. But fear not, for this event won't mean the end for us. Instead, it will offer a changed night sky filled with new stars and celestial formations. Isn't it fascinating how much we can learn by looking up at the night sky? Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.